Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about reference letter for Express Entry of Canada, which is the most important document to prove your work experience. The exact requirement, the prescribed format, and also the workarounds. All of this coming up. Hello friends, this is Shitanshu. Welcome to my channel Dream Abroad. If you want to immigrate to Australia or Canada without paying hefty fee to the consultants, please visit my channel. I've got many videos and many more are coming soon for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Okay, so first things first. What is a reference letter and why is it required? Reference letter is more or less like an experience letter. This document is mandatory and required to prove your job experiences. It is required for each work experience declared, including your present job. It should specifically mention few points as prescribed by CIC that I'm going to discuss next. Roles and responsibilities should be similar to your NOC code. Individuals who must submit this documentation should be the principal applicant and their spouse if work experience in Canada has been claimed. Which all points should be mentioned in the reference letter? It should be an official document printed on the company letterhead. It must include the company's contact information like address, telephone number, and email address. The applicant's name is also mandatory. The name, title, and signature of the immediate supervisor or personal officer at the company, like the HR, should also be mentioned. It should also indicate all positions held while employed at the company. It must include the following details as well: the job title, duties and responsibilities, job status if it is a current job, dates worked for the company, number of work hours per week, and the annual salary plus benefits. Now let's see what should be the format of the reference letter. So you can see all the points that I mentioned earlier have been covered in this letter. It is very important to mention the roles and responsibilities similar to that mentioned in the NOC code that you have chosen for your skill set and job. Okay, please make sure that you change the language of this letter. It should not be of the same exact language that I've mentioned here. Okay, now let's see what are the most common problems we face with the reference letters. If you ask for a letter with all these details to your current employer, they might not issue such a letter. They might think that you will leave their company soon. This might also have an adverse effect on your appraisal, promotion, and professional relationship with your manager. Also, if you ask such a letter from the previous employers, they might straight away refuse to issue such a letter, or they might completely ignore your request. Also, it might be that the company no longer exists, or many such reasons. What should you do in such cases? First of all, no need to get worried. These are very common problems, and the investigating officer are aware of all of these issues. Now let's discuss a solution for this. Get the similar letter written from a friend, probably a colleague of that company, team lead or managers if possible. Letter written from official email ID would work the best. Prepare an affidavit stating that your company does not provide such a letter, hence you have arranged his or her reference. Attach copy of your and his or her company identity card. Also, give documents like appointment letter, joining letter, promotion letter, salary slips, etc. Remember, the more documents you provide, the better it is. If possible, get it in an email that your company can not provide you such a letter, so that you can attach that with the complete documents that you have. Now, let's see the format of affidavit that should be used here. Again, it can be used in a stamp paper of ₹100, ₹50 or rupees 10 even. That does not matter. Or if you're from any other country than India, it can be used in your own way. What's important is to mention the points that have been mentioned here. We are doing all of this just to gain the trust of the investigating officer. So as much documents as you provide to support your statements, it will help your cause. You can pause this video for a while, take a screenshot of this and note down all of these points. Okay, now a disclaimer that do not use the exact language, because I'm sure over the time thousands of people would be watching this video and it would be a problem if all of you use the same language and the same pattern. You should be smart enough to modify it, but make sure that all the important points have been covered. Also, I'm pretty sure that many of you would like to know if we can fake any of our experiences. So just to let you know, investigating officers are professionally trained and they do reference checks randomly. So they might call the number that was mentioned in the reference letter and inquire about you. So I would recommend not to give any fake details. So this was it. I hope the information provided in this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries or doubts, please comment in the comment section below. I would also love to hear the feedback from you. Please like and share this video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you.